Hello and welcome to this latest video from Brampton Immigration Consultancy. In today's video, I, Zain Malik, on behalf of this firm, will be guiding you through a very innovative, a very new method to immigrate to New Brunswick. If you have any experience of driving a truck, if you are a truck driver or you are from the related industry, then this opportunity is ideal for you. I will demonstrate through this tutorial video on how you can fill this form and how you can be eligible to receive employment in the province of New Brunswick, a beautiful province on the Atlantic coast of Canada, where you can come with your family and start a new life, start a life in this home and native land that we call Canada, and prosper to your fullest potential. So you go to Google, and you type out New Brunswick Job Fair 2021 trucking. The first link that will come up is upcoming international recruitment events. So as you can already see, it is an upcoming international recruitment event, which means that the government of New Brunswick, employers in New Brunswick will be recruiting internationally. So your international experience will count in terms of your chances of immigrating. So as you can see, I've clicked on the upcoming international recruitment event, and I've come across various events from May 2021 to spring 2021 to June 2021. What we are looking for in specific is the transport truck driver event. It is an online event for now because of the unfortunate circumstances of the global pandemic. But as you can see, it is a call for all truck drivers. Whether you live in Canada and you wish to immigrate to New Brunswick, or whether you are in a foreign country and you wish to immigrate to Canada, this is an ideal opportunity for you. New Brunswick companies are recruiting directly for long-term employment. Immigration program officers will provide a virtual information session on New Brunswick's provincial immigration programs. These programs are only for individuals intending to reside in New Brunswick. So this is a very important detail. These programs are only for individuals intending to reside in New Brunswick. If you have ambitions to immigrate to Ontario, to Quebec, to any other province of Canada, then this may not be for you. But if you plan on living in the beautiful province of New Brunswick, then this is an ideal program. The professionals eligible for this event must have recent experience in the following occupations, which is as transport truck drivers. So if you have experience within the past 5 years of operating a transport truck, you are eligible to immigrate to New Brunswick. Now, another important aspect of this opportunity is deadlines. Now, we all at Brampton Immigration Consultancy realize how tedious and unnecessarily bureaucratic it is to deal with the immigration process. And it often is very time consuming. It often is very hectic. And well, we realize the stress that comes along with it. We are here to take that stress away from you. Since the deadline is June 11th, there is not a lot of time left. You can book your consultancy right now today with Brampton Immigration Consultancy, and we will make sure that we fill out this application for you. We give you the direct information, although this informative video will enable you to fill out this form by yourself as well. So important things to note down. You must have at least 1 year of experience operating a truck, which comes to 1,560 hours in total, which is 30 hours per week. It has to be, you can complete it part-time as well over the course of 24 months. So you don't necessarily need to complete your hours within a year. It can be done over a period of 2 years as well. It must be noted that it is only paid work that will be eligible in this stream. Volunteer work or unpaid internships will not serve you any purpose for you. Moving on to the form. It is a very simple form to begin with. There are a total of 4 pages in the registration form, but you must make sure that all of the documentation that you need is present with you, as once you complete a page, you cannot move on and go back and change any information previously entered. Important documents that you need to have is, of course, the photo page of your current passport. If you live in a country which is not the country of your citizenship, the visa for that country. If you have a language test result such as IELTS, you will require that language test result as well. Your ECA report will be also required, and your CV, it says, is optional. Now, this is a very important part that you must pay attention to. Although the CV is optional, you must understand and realize that this is a job fair, that you are attracting potential employers. A good CV will take you a long way in terms of looking more attractive in the eyes of an employer. If you do not have a CV prepared, Brampton Immigration Consultancy can assist you in the preparation of your CV, but it is essential that your CV is as detailed, as illustrative as possible, so that potential employers can highlight you, can handpick you on the basis of your CV. Your spouse's CV, again, if you are coming with your significant other, your spouse, your wife, somebody you know, your husband, then it is also optional to include their CV as well. And of course, the most important document in this list is your current driver's license. Your driver's license, since you are going to be working as potentially working as a truck driver or a transport truck driver, your driver's license is of utmost importance. If you do not have your driver's license renewed, you must renew it to make sure that you can fill out this registration form. So if you are selected, you will receive an invitation to attend. It is not, this is not an invitation to immigrate. It is just a selection by which you will be able to attend this event online, and you can engage with employers in New Brunswick, in the province of New Brunswick. Furthermore, you go down, you fill out your form. My name is Zain Malik. I will fill it out accordingly with the email. You can just copy and paste that email just like that. All right. So an important notification that you must understand is that the government of New Brunswick will share your information for recruitment purposes. Well, of course, they will share your information for recruitment purposes, as this is a job fair. And the purpose of you attending this job fair is for you to be eventually employed. So by clicking, you agree, you authorize the government of New Brunswick to obtain your information and hand it out to interested employers. We'll press next. We'll save your form. You will select the country of your citizenship. I will ask for your passport number. Passport expiry date. You must look at your passport and fill it out accordingly. Country of legal residence. Well, for me, it is Canada. Your age, your date of birth, and of course, English. So you could say that you're an expert or an intermediate. If you can speak French, it will help you as well. And if you've passed your IELTS, it will ask you for your test results, but for the purpose of efficiency and time, we will just say no. You can just assess yourself based upon your proficiency in English, your ability to read, write, listen, and speak. Just give yourself 5. You have relatives in New Brunswick. If you do, you must click yes. If you don't, it is a no. It will ask you very simple, very basic questions to get to know you as an applicant, which you can respond in either yes or no. So it is very easy, yes or no questions that you must answer. I'll ask you about your criminal record. If you have a criminal record, it is a yes or a no question again. Then you click next, it will move you on to the 3rd page of the form. So this is for the people who drive trucks, you must be aware of all of the classifications. There's a motorcycle license, there's a car license. Then moving on, there are truck licenses and bus licenses. So you must select that. If you have experience, you must list it out, as the minimum experience required is full-time 1 year, part-time a collective of 2 years. The more experience you have, the more your chances of getting selected. As you can see, it will require a clear copy of your valid driver's license, which we do not have present at the moment. But if you are a driver, you must understand and be acquainted with the categories that are there. You can select them and you can list them out. We'll ask you about your visa. Then they will ask you about your whether you've driven in the snow, in heavy snow, in rain, in heavy rain, in gravel, mountainous terrain, wooded area, wind, icy roads. You will list out your experience relative to your life experience, relative to your driving experience. Of course, they will ask you about if you can conduct a video chat on WhatsApp, Skype, or Facebook Messenger. You can click that, and they will hopefully get back to you. Since we do not have a driver's license available with us at the moment, we will not be proceeding with the 4th page, but I hope this video was informative. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have any queries, if you still have any questions, Brampton Immigration Consultancy can be approached. We're just a call away, and we will be happy to answer all of your questions, and we will be happy to give you a consultancy. This is Zain Malik. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has served your interest. Best regards.